Like him? Kind of young to like him. Guy in the place. Yeah.
Titanic.
Now it's like stagnant because we're going with the wind.
Do you mind if I honk the horn?
Yeah, go ahead.
Here's sunshine.
So you see where the channel is, Kate?
Yeah.
It's in between the red and the green. That's like the road right there, okay? So you're going to get into that here eventually, and then you follow that.
Oh, don't.
So maybe after this marker, you're going to kind of weave in there, right? We're getting the canal, so I'm going to take over, so that's all right. Yeah, get into this and stay in between the red and the green. There's another channel that goes into that neighborhood, but we're going to go that way, right?
Yeah.
Got it? Here, those are all my tracks. Last time I've been out. Stay away from that mark. You don't want to go too close. So away. You don't need to turn that mark. Aim toward that house with the red roof.
That fit just right, and the radio. Stays up beneath the shade of the Georgia pine, and that's home. Sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine, where the baby's low. And my heart is not much to talk about.
I hit his foot. I was like, sorry, bro. It's the wrong day. You're relaxing.
And the radio.
Oh, of course.
Snook in there?
Close to the shoreline.
Yeah, I cast that lure in there. I put that trolling motor down and pull up there and cast the mangroves.
You got a, what do you call it, right? Fish finder?
Yeah. But you're not gonna, doesn't really help.
It doesn't show there, it just shows like under.
There. When we get to this big boat here, I'm gonna take over if that's all right.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
All things we love.
Give me the co-pilot.
Knock out to the side. Go beer on Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio. The live sing songs. See the love in a woman's eyes. Feel the touch of
right, good job, Captain. I'll take over for